In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to move your stop loss in Tradingview step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Tradingview and make sure you already have an active trade on your chart. You'll see your stop loss and take profit levels displayed as lines directly on the chart. Now, find your stop loss line, usually shown as a red line. Hover your mouse over it until you see the option to drag it. Click and hold the stop loss line, then simply drag it up or down to your desired price level. If you're in a buy trade, moving it up helps lock in profits. And if you're in a sell trade, moving it down helps reduce risk. Once you release the mouse, you may see a confirmation pop up. Just review the new level and confirm the change to update your stop loss. After that, your stop loss will move to the new position and your trade will be updated accordingly. That's it. Now you know how to move your stop loss in Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.